Hey guys, Durpo Fit back here with another video, and I've decided officially to start doing Lego stuff again because I really enjoy it, and I'm not good at making gaming videos. So today I'm going to show you how to modify your Sith Infiltrator Microfighter. Nothing, I have no qualm with the build itself. It's a very nice build, but the minifigure it comes with is just wrong. Yeah, this is the Darth Maul that appeared in the Phantom Menace, but not. It just doesn't feel right, you know? So what we're gonna do is take a hood and a cape from our collection. Just gonna take his little crown off. One of his lightsaber blades. Gonna pop his head off. I don't like his smile though, but it's I suppose it's alright actually. I don't mind it. Second thought. Okay. That's how you modify your Darth Maul in your Sith Inquisitor Microfighter set. It looks a lot better, I think. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.